Let's talk about how EISENHOWER Matrix can help you live a better life. If you've never heard of EISENHOWER Matrix before, then you're gonna find out the what, why, when, and how in under 3 minutes. Let me know if you can relate to this. You have a long to-do list. You work hard during the day to cross off the items. On good days, you get them all done. On not so good days, you manage to tackle a few. You're always exhausted whenever you go to bed. Most days, you can't even remember what you did, but you know you were busy. You repeat this over and over, and yet somehow you're nowhere near your goals. How's that possible? This is where EISENHOWER Matrix come in to save the day, because you'll prioritize and work on what truly matters. The reason why you're far from achieving your goals, even though you were busy crossing off each items on your to-dos, is because you were busy being busy, doing the wrong things. Those things you crossed off didn't contribute towards your goals. EISENHOWER Matrix help you prioritize your to-dos in terms of urgency and importance. That means the things you work on, they'll make significant impact on your life. That means when you go to bed at night, you can smile because your time was spent productively. Before you start tackling your long to-dos from top to bottom, you want to go through each item and ask these 2 questions. Is it urgent? Is it important? Depending on how you answer them, they are prioritized accordingly. Priority 1 items are the ones which are urgent and important. That means these are the tasks that have serious consequence if you don't complete them. So they are the tasks that you want to do first. Priority 2 items are the ones that are not urgent but important. These are the tasks that will move the needle on your goals. You want to decide when to focus on them because if you don't, someday they're going to become urgent. You'll want to schedule them in on your calendar. This is where you want to spend most of your time on after you've cleared off your priority 1 items. Priority 3 items are not important but urgent. Create a strategy to automate, delegate, or limit the amount of time you spend on these tasks by batching. For example, buying healthy food instead of cooking them each day. Doing laundry every 2 weeks versus every few days. Priority 4 items are not important and not urgent. So what do you think you should do? Yup, delete them. These are the tasks that you most likely have been spending a lot of time doing. Even if you complete them, you won't be making any headway on your goals. Before I get to the when, thumbs up if you find this info helpful. It's gonna get the video out to help more students, which is the mission of this channel. A good time to use EISENHOWER Matrix is during your weekly planning and when prioritizing your daily tasks. As you plan for the week ahead, ask these 2 questions so you'll know what are your P1, P2, and P3 tasks. Eliminate the P4 tasks. As you list out your daily tasks for tomorrow, identify your priority 1 task and work on it first before anything else. I promise you that if you use EISENHOWER Matrix as part of your decision-making tool, you'll easily accomplish your goals and live a better life. If you're serious in crushing your goals this year, check out this video where I share 5 tips for greater success in goal setting. I'll see you over there.